Again, I am gonna apply whole entire the nails. And it's gonna be really thick density, so don't afraid of to just blend it really nicely. And of course, we're not using a no wipe top coat. Floating on the top of condensed glue gels. Just add 2 fruit together. I like it that way. My AB right there. I am gonna fling it completely on the side. I believe I'm using size 16, SS16s, and SS12, 10 and 12 right now. Can I get the difference? I'm gonna using silver. That nail needs to go out. I need a silver frame on that. I really like it. I just make a little bit on the angle on the side. Like I'm almost thinking of doing neon, but I don't want to feeling like you ladies got to watch neon so many times, but you never get too much neon. I can sit here all day and do neon for you ladies. I don't know how your ends, but my ends is too cute. Crystal, what is it called? Bigfoot is so stunning. It's really different, and it's hard for people like, oh, I don't know what to do with this. Yes, you can do so many with this. You just place them, puzzle them together. It looks like, you know, 2 feet together. Can be so awesome of meaningful in that. These two close and tight together. You can do this with neons. I think neons will look good. It's hard for me to. Live glasses is for you too. Blings out the nails. And what was that? Foxy, did you like that? Blings out the nails. Jessica, if you are here. Nuna, there's the blings out the nails. So you can pretty much place any shape of the crystal. You can achieve so beautiful look. And do not hesitate to try them out, because you'll be amazed at how beautiful design you will create with any shape. If people give you the shape that, like today, like this shape, no one care for this. I mean, if people look at it, but it's really cool and stunning. You can do so many different ways. This is one of the way we're doing it. But I'm adjusting it before I'm key it. I don't know why I didn't put any what is that? The neon. Oh hey. It's meant to be. Stay right there. Can't see it. Too far away. I just wanted some other one. Can't see my flower much, but it's so beautiful. It's look like, to me, I think it looks like a strawberry. Great. If you're happy with this, now we're gonna key it for 60 seconds.